Hi everyone, today I would like to show you how to make a frozen Elsa snowflake brooch. It is inspired from the snowflake design at the back of Elsa's overcoat. Here we are, the most wanted snowflake brooches. We started with a cross line, 12 cm wide times 12 cm height. There are 4 pieces of bigger flakes, which are 5 cm times 2 cm. Another 4 pieces of smaller flakes, which are 4 cm times 1.5 cm. A star shape at the middle, which is 3 cm times 3 cm, 1 cm and half cm at the center. We started to draw the snowflake shape at the heart interlining. Cut it out into 8 pieces of big snowflakes, front and back. 8 pieces of small snowflakes, again front and back. And 2 pieces of star flakes for the center. This is the sewing glue. It's more diluted. Pour some silver dust on a piece of paper. Place the glue on top of the interlining evenly. After that, place the snowflakes on the top of the silver dust. After the silver dust dry up, apply a layer of transparent nail polish top coat to protect and provide shine. Now use all-purpose glue to fix the sequins on all the sides of the snowflakes. Thank you for staying with me. Remember to watch until the end of the video. I have a great news for you. Glue the center star flake with a shorter sequins. We must use the fine nylon wire as a bone of the snowflakes. They are 12 cm and 10 cm. Pair up the bigger snowflakes, which is 12 cm as a set, and remember to leave some space for the star flake. Cut a small piece of paper tape to secure the wire on the flakes and double check the center space. Arrange all 4 pairs of snowflakes together, 2 big, 2 small. Again, secure it with paper tape. Now we need to cut away the excess paper tape at the side of the snowflakes. Cover the paper tape at the back with plain interlining with glue. Wow, here we reach our final step. Fix a safety pin at the center. Put the glue and pin, then cover it with another layer of hard interlining. Press harder to secure it. A good news for hungry learner, stay tuned for Elsa frozen costume tutorial at Udemy. Thank you for watching and bye!